This is the socket tester. All right, pause and save this in case you ever need to read this. Woo, there we go. Let's go ahead and test out our sockets. All right, so we press for 2 seconds for power. Whoa, okay, this is cool. And it shows if it's wired correctly. So 20.3. There's a test. Incorrect. Correct. So we need to definitely see the levels and go over the manual and see what's going on. That number is blinking. Now we have it through this thing as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try another outlet. Okay, so we plugged it in here. Let's turn it on, give it some power. 122 volts. So you can press the test. We're going to have to look at that number because this one's a lot different. This is 0.4, 122 volts. Okay, let's test out by our sink here. Let's see. See what this one has to say. Okay. So that one shows. Oh, did that trip? That might have tripped it. Yeah, it looks like it did. Reset. Oh, it trips it when it... Okay, that's fine. That's probably actually good. We know that's working. Yes, overall, I like this. This is nice.